Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well and staying safe. Now we are learning big friend in Abacus, right? So in big friend we will use the tens rod. In small friends we are using the ones rod beads, right? But in big friend we will be using the tens rod beads. What is big friend? Big friends are any two one digit number. If we add them together we will get the sum 10. Those two numbers are called big friends. What is the big friend of 1? That is 9. Similarly, what is the big friend of 2? That is 8. So 2 and 8 are big friends. What is the big friend of 3? That is 7. What is the big friend of 4? That is 6. What is the big friend of 5? That is 5. So 5 and 5 are big friends. This way we can know who is the big friend of which number. Now let us know what are the conditions for big friends. In which situations we can use the big friends, right? So first condition here is big friends are required in those situations where direct addition and subtraction is not possible in one rod. Here I have taken one example, that is 7 plus 4. Let 7 plus 4. Here we do not have 4 more bits at the ones rod. So how we can add 4 at the ones rod? Can we apply the small friend addition of 4 here? Plus 4 equals to plus 5 minus 1. No, we can't use the small friend addition of 4 here. Why? Because we have already used the upper bits whose value is 5, right? So here the use of small friend addition of 4 is also not possible. So in this situation, in this case, we have to take the help of tens rod bits to solve this sum, okay? I hope you are clear up to you. Let us take another example, that is 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, you can see here we do not have 2 more bits at the ones rod, and also it is not possible to apply small friend addition of 2, which is equals to plus 5 minus 3. Why? Because we have already used the upper bits. So in this case also we have to take the help of tens rod bits to solve this sum. In such cases we have to use the big friend formula. Our second condition for big friend formula is big friends are used in the numbers from 1 to 9. Let us say if we want to add or subtract to a particular number or from a particular number where direct addition and subtraction is not possible in ones rod, for such numbers, in that case we can use the big friends. We know that from the number 1 to 4 we can use the small friend formula. Suppose the use of small friend formula is not possible from 1 to 4. In that case what we should do? We should check for the big friend formula, okay? Our third condition is in case of big friends we will take the bid value of 10 as the reference. 10 is the base value in case of big friends. Remember these things. I had told you in my previous videos, see in each and every formulas we have used 10 as the base value, right? So in every formulas we have to use 10. So 10 is the base value for big friends. So these are the conditions for big friends.